Did you know that avocado seed has amazing benefits on our hair? Well, today I will be sharing with you some of its amazing benefits and why you should not throw it away. It is often overlooked by many people without knowing that it has powerful benefits. Avocado seed helps to strengthen the hair. It contains compounds like phenolic compounds which help to fight free radicals that causes weak hair and breakage. Avocado seed also helps to fight hair loss and reduce dandruff on the scalp. It can also help to reduce oils on the scalp, the sebum production, and buildup. It also helps to stimulate hair growth. It contains nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which helps to strengthen the hair from root to tips. The next ingredient we have is rosemary. I will be making use of dried rosemary leaves. If you have fresh rosemary, you can use as well. Guys, this herb is very beneficial for me. I can say that it has really saved me a lot. My hair has really grown because of using herbs like rosemary. I have never skipped this herb on any of my hair growth recipes, and it has really helped me to grow my hair. I'm talking from my experience and what I have seen. It has grown my hair from thin to thick. So in case you haven't used it, I don't know what you are waiting for. We will also be adding cinnamon. Here I have some cinnamon sticks. I bought them from my local market. If you have the other types of cinnamon, just use whatever you have, provided that it is cinnamon. Cinnamon is also amazing and powerful for stimulating the scalp and stimulating those dormant hair follicles. If you have receding hairline, if you have bald spots, then using something stimulating is very essential. So right now I'm going to add all my ingredients to a pot. I'm just going to add about two tablespoons of rosemary, or 1 tablespoon is enough for now. I'll also be adding some cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is very strong. They are very strong. So just a few sticks are enough for me. So I'm just reducing them into small pieces so that they won't take long to boil. So right now I'm going to add some water, about 1.5 cup. And after that, I will cover the ingredients and I'll transfer them to a stove and allow them to boil for a few minutes. So as you can see, it is started boiling and the water has changed the color to something golden brown. It just looked like carrots, but you know that it's the avocado seed. So I went ahead and removed it from heat and allowed it to cool down. Now I'll be straining out to get the liquid which I'm interested in. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you're new here, just subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. Also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Now this is how the treatment is looking like. I just love the color, how it turned. Really, it is really amazing. So I'm just going to transfer to an applicator bottle, and after that I will be showing you guys how I use on my hair. I'll be explaining different ways you can use this treatment, or the ways that I like to use it. First, you can use it as a leave-in. Today, I'll be using it as a leave-in spray. As you can see, I'm spraying it from the root as I work towards the ends, making sure that each section or each twist is well hydrated. Once I spray, I take time to squeeze it in so that my hair get well coated and hydrated. My hair is not that dry. I usually re-moisturize my hair after 2 to 3 days depending on how dry it feels. So you need to apply this on your scalp and hair. Apply on your scalp, concentrate on your problem areas and massage it in so that it can penetrate to the scalp and have the amazing benefits on your scalp. So once you apply this, just don't rush. Apply and take time to massage it on your scalp. Once you apply, also do not forget to seal in or to coat your hair with a leave-in conditioner. That's how I always tell. That's how I always say, because if you leave your hair like that, it can dry out, and if it dries out, it can break. So always, once you apply and once you decide to use it as a leave-in, do not leave it like that. Apply a leave-in conditioner of your choice and then apply oil or hair butter to seal in moisture. So as you can see, I already applied on all sections of my hair and they are now soaking wet. Another way you can use this, you can just use it as a rinse off after washing your hair or before washing your hair. Once you apply it, cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag for about 30 to 45 minutes and then go ahead and rinse it off with water, or you just follow with your wash day routine if you apply before washing your hair. So as you can see, I'm applying my leave-in conditioner and then I'll follow up with my hair butter in order to seal that moisture and lock it, and so that my hair stays moisturized for a couple of days before drying it out. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.